Picture this, you walk into a restaurant and suddenly you meet Hirok Raja, and the smell of Shoshi Ilish also hit you at once. Welcome to Kolkata's theme-based restaurant inspired by Gopiga in Baghabain and Hirok Raja Dishe, the masterpieces of the one and only Satyajit Ray. This is located near Hatibagan near Binodini Theatre. As soon as you step in, you are no longer in the city. You are in Shundir Desh. The waiters, they are dressed like the royal attendants. And the menu, Bengali authentic mouth-watering food. আর তালি না বাজালে কিন্তু খাবার পাবেন না, মানে ঠিক যেমন সিনেমায় হয়েছিল। What's beautiful is how this place brings Satyajit Ray's fantasy world to your dinner plate. So you're not just eating, we actually relive the songs, the satire, the stories that has shaped generations. তালি মারো। মেনুতে অনেক কিছুই ছিল, কষা মাংস, পাতুরি, পাবদা মাছ, চাটনি, পাঁপড়, রাবড়ি, আমদই, মানে অনেক কিছু, পেট ভরে খেয়েছিলাম। আর if you have never watched Gopi Baga, this visit will definitely tempt you to. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and if you liked it, do share and subscribe.